Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My name is Saida Nasra Batul and my topic is Aghaaz Foundation. Table of contact. What is NGO? Aghaaz Foundation, mission, vision, goals, ongoing project, achievements and conclusion. Aghaaz Foundation is a type of NGO. First of all, we know about NGO. NGO is stand for non-governmental organization. It is an organization that is neither a part of government nor a conventional for-profit business. NGOs may be funded by government, schools, businesses or private people. Some may have charitable status. NGO term was first used in 1945 when the United Nations was created. International NGO were important in the anti-slavery movement and the movement for women's suffrage. In their activities, it include human rights, environmental, improving health, or development work. Now let's talk about our topic, Aghaaz Foundation. Aghaaz Foundation. It is non-governmental organization devoting its effort for empowering underprivileged section of society, particularly women and laborers, strengthening local government institutions, promoting equality, education and health awareness. Vision of Aghaaz Foundation is peaceful, just and prosperous society where every human being enjoys equal status and dignity. Mission: mobilizing and strengthening the vulnerable section of society to take a collective social action, improving their access to the institutions and making their voice heard at policy making forums. Goals of Aghaaz Foundation is strengthen and responsive communities enjoying equal status, opportunities and right in society. Ongoing projects. Aghaaz Foundation engaged in a campaign to ensure the higher turnout amongst women voters for National Assembly in Faisalabad region, active to address violent extremism and gender-based violence in Lahore region, engaged in advocacy campaign on electoral reform in Faisalabad, Jung and Cheniot region. Aghaaz Foundation also engaged in strengthening District Bar Association in Lahore region. It's also engaged in gender equality programs. Achievement of this foundation. The Aghaaz Foundation Literacy School program supports more than 400 children, including more than 50 GAPSs of deprived areas of Shalamar town and Wagah town in their effort to create environments where physical and healthy activities are accessible and encouraged. In education, their achievements are the education campaign Clean Up Lahore, increase hygiene awareness among the general public through the trained hygiene activists. Its campaigns usually held on the school areas to aware the pupil through session. Since 2005, Aghaaz Foundation is under district level campaigns to facilitate CCB formation in the country. Aghaaz Foundation has launching many campaigns to achieving world peace. Means to achieve these ends usually include advocacy of pacifism, non-violence resistance, diplomacy, boycott, moral purchasing, supporting anti-war political candidates, demonstrations and lobbying to create legislation. Interactive session on Women rights, Brick Kiln rights. Agaz Foundation is member of convening committee of Alliance for Human Development, Lahore, which focuses to address the issues of violence against women. Agaz Theatre performs street and interactive theatres on the issues of violence against women, child labour, CCBs, etc. Health and education. Agaz Foundation is running 10 community primary and adult literacy school for needy childs with support of government institution and local philanthropists. Regularly organize medical camps with support of Doctors Association and different pharmaceutical companies in Shalamar and Wagah towns. Agaz Foundation organize awareness session on HIV and AIDS and also on TB. Conclusion of this Agaz Foundation is to provide equality to everyone and reach the voices of innocence to the concerned authorities accordingly. That's it. Thank you.